Now I carry a gun. I gotta make sure I go home to see my son.
Please don't test me. I don't wanna shoot.
I don't wanna have to blow your brains on my.
Yo, no cap. No cap, son. If you don't go hit that subscribe button, if you don't go hit that like button, if you don't hit that bell, bro, I'm running down. I'm running down on niggas. No cap. Let me stop. What's good, YouTube? It's poppin'. You know it's King Mike back in this bit. I know I was gone for like 2-3 weeks. I apologize. Y'all probably ain't missed me anyways. But yeah, I missed y'all though. You feel me? And we back for another reaction. You dig? And let me and it's crazy. My background, I'm currently at work right now. For real, like I gotta grind, you know? I gotta do both. They both don't stop. I'm like, I don't really do nothing at work, you feel me? I don't never do shit at work. I'm in company, dog. I'm in company, dog. I don't ever do shit at work. Hey, nah, but let me stop. But yeah, so I'm like, let me just drop a video. Let me just make a video and drop on you, feel me? If you wanna know, I'm a security guard at a gatehouse. Not finna tell you which one. But yeah, we finna get this bitch started, you dig? We finna get this bitch started. You know what I'm saying? If a car come and it take long, I'ma just cut it, you know? I'ma just cut it, you know what I'm saying? I'ma pause the video, let them in and cut it, you know what I'm saying? It's a very easy job. I keep telling everybody get their security license. Hit me up if you want a job. I can get you one ASAP. I'll interview you and get you a job on the spot. Just hit me up. I can start you off at my boss probably start you off at 12 type shit if you don't got no experience. And we also, if you don't have your license, we'll pay for it. So you know what I'm saying? It's good, it's a good job. You feel me? But we finna get this bitch started, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully I don't really get no cars like that. For real. Oh, I'm bugging. Oh, save to. Okay, I want that bit to save the desktop. And then we finna record that bit. Yeah, we can just record that. I don't need to record everything. I get it. Alright, so I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with y'all. I see y'all fuck with my video where I put black people don't play about dogs. I got 464 views. I appreciate y'all for all the love. I guess y'all like that type of content. So we finna do another one. And before I get these beats started, right now I'm at 900 and I said 900. Am I tripping? I'm at 196 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 200 by the end of the week. Come on, get me right. Get me right. Please, get me right. 200. You feel me? Oh, I got a car. Be right back. Are we back, you maybe? I'm gonna cut that out. Alright. Yeah, I appreciate all the views on that last video. For real. But we finna do a part 2 of the dog chasing, cause it is funny. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm low-key scared of dogs. I'm scared of dogs if I don't know you. Like if you're a stranger and you got a dog, bro, I'm not trusting you. I don't know what you teaching your dog. I don't know what your dog about or none of that. I'ma just keep that bit moving. I'ma cross the street. If you walking this way, You walking this way and I'm walking this way, and you got a big ass dog with you, my ass finna cross the street on your ass. You feel me? But let's get it started. Ain't finna. Oh, off rhythm. Off rhythm. But these fast ass clips. Oh, buddy with the gun. Ain't gonna lie, this shit. Oh yeah, stupid. Stupid. These fast ass clips. Oh yeah. Chubby ass dog. That boy wanna play. Oh yeah. Oh hell. Bruh's like 5 dogs in that bitch. I'm taking off. But I don't know why people say don't run when you don't see a dog. When you see a dog, don't run. You're tripping. I'm out. Keep it moving, sis. But I'm out. Like, I'm shaking. I don't care. Ain't no don't run, none of that. And he not catching me. I'm breaking jit. Stupid. Hey, that's not even funny, bro. My dog got hit by the car. Yo, he's having a bad day. Dog chasing him, and then a nigga just hit you with the car. Oh my god. Boom! Ooh. Hey, the dog shook. He know he wrong. Yo, nigga so scared. He didn't even close his door. Like, bro, I'm not finna be that shook from a dog. Like, I'ma shake, close my door, and stay there. Like, nigga trying to drive off with the door open. Scary as shit. Oh yeah, come here. They be scary, let out dogs. Where that, little? Now that, see, that's some shit to be scared of. That's some shit to be scared of. This right here, hold up. This little ass dog, bruh. I'm sorry. Fuck out of here. Like, fuck. Little ass shit. But if you don't kick that shit, field goal. What are you talking about? Extra point. What? Now that shit, I'm gone. Oh, that's funny. Even the kangaroo out of there. The kangaroo is gold. Squirrel got IQ. Causing accidents and shit. I can't even hit the gas. I ain't gonna lie, this shit tight. Hold on, I ain't gonna lie, hold on. Hold up. I said, hold up. We finna switch it up. We finna switch it up real quick. Let's see what's up. Oh yeah, the big dog. Oh yeah. What's up? Oh, the big dog came like, what? Kick me. Like, kick me. What's up? Kick me. Oh yeah, parkour. Ooh. Other way. Oh, nigga right behind him. Oh. Hey, he snapped. Fuck, nigga. I would've been talking my shit. Oh. Bro, that shit pissed me off. Grab your dog, son. What the fuck? Still chasing it? Grab your dog, fam. Like, what's up? Holy cow. Oh yeah, kicking. Oh yeah, yeah. What's up? Oh, now he getting jumped. Hey. Oh, other dog good. Bro, look how many dogs that is, bro. Dogs be plotting too, bro. Like, they know what they doing. Oh, he chasing on the dogs. Oh shit, little man not playing. Even though them dogs would drag the freak out of him. Oh god. Daniel, oh, he got a machete. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like that's kind of OD. For real, unless like, cause sometimes dogs just be wanting to play, like for real. They ain't really be trying to attack you, but like, damn, that boy got a machete. He trying to cook some shit. No. Oh, he's swinging that hole. Go in your house. Your door's right there, fam. Just go in the house. That nigga trying to. He trying to kill some shit, bro. He not playing. Go in the crib. It looks like he don't really want to hit them though. Yeah, you see? That's a good owner, you feel me? The owner came, he started chasing him. That's a good owner right there, bro. If I had a dog, bro, my dog is finna listen. But I'm gonna have a big ass dog if I had a dog. Nigga gonna listen. What you talking about? Well, I hope that was good. I hope y'all enjoyed that. I'm finna make a couple more vids, you feel me? But I seen that, I just seen y'all was fucking with the dog videos. I tried to find some more. Honestly, that was part 1 was the best. I don't know if this is the best. Just let me know, comment down below. You feel me? And for the people that's watching my videos, send me some shit. Send me anything. Send me something on Instagram. Send me something on TikTok. Send me anything. I'll react to it. Let me know. I will not say no. Just send it to me. Alright? But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm finna drop this day tonight. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm here all day. And I was here this morning too. But let's get it. Alright? Grind don't stop. I love y'all. And please subscribe. Stop watching my shit and you not subscribe. Oh, I got a card. Alright, we out.
Now I carry a gun. I gotta make sure I go home to see my son.
Please don't test me. I don't wanna shoot.
I don't wanna have to blow your brains on my